In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change margins in Google Sheets. Whether you're preparing a spreadsheet for presentation or simply want to adjust the layout to fit your needs better, knowing how to modify the margins is an essential skill. Let's dive right in. First, open Google Sheets in your preferred web browser. Start by navigating to the sheet you want to adjust. Once you're inside Google Sheets, you're going to want to customize how your data looks when it's printed or converted to PDF. Next, look at the top of your screen and click on File. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. Here we're not only dealing with options to save or import files, but also with various print and layout settings. Now you need to select Print from this drop-down menu. This action takes you to the Print Settings interface, where Google Sheets allows you to modify how your document will appear when printed or when you download it. It might take a few seconds to load, especially if it's a large document. In the print settings, look for the section labeled Margins. By default, it might be set to Normal, which is a standard, balanced setup suitable for most needs. But when more customization is necessary, normal margins may not provide the exact layout you require. You'll notice a drop-down here as well, offering different margin presets, including wide and narrow. But if neither of these fit your requirements, you'll need to use a custom option. This brings us to the next step. Click on Custom Numbers. This should trigger a small menu where you can manually input specific measurements for your top, bottom, left, and right margins. Customizing your margins in this way allows you precise control over the spacing in your document, helping you ensure it meets specific requirements or personal preferences. Take a moment to look at what measurements work best for your document. You might choose to measure in inches or centimeters, depending on what is most intuitive for you. Once you're satisfied with your margin selections, go ahead and click on Next. This verifies your settings and takes you back to the main print view, where your changes will be previewed. This step is crucial to ensure everything appears just as you want before printing or downloading. There you have it, a straightforward way to change margins in Google Sheets. These few steps ensure that the layout of your spreadsheet suits your needs, whether it's for printing, sharing, or simply maintaining a professional appearance. Remember to review the print preview after making changes to ensure everything looks just right. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you personalize your documents with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.